Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 3 of review week. In today's video, you're going to see the review of Color Bar 24 Hours Weightless Foundation. This one. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing these pointers. I'm going to show you two different application techniques. I'm going to discuss about the formulation and what I think about this foundation in general. So if you want to know all of those things, then please continue watching. Before we start, let me quickly tell you I'm filming with natural lighting today because this is a foundation review and I don't want any artificial additional light to change the color tone or the undertone of the foundation. I in fact have no tube light, no artificial light at all. I'm sitting in front of my balcony and filming it with natural sunlight only, and I did not set my foundation with concealer or powder. I just applied like a very subtle highlighter, like a cream highlighter, some blush, and I've bronzed my skin a little bit, that's all. I didn't use any concealer, setting powder or setting spray. I just thought I should mention it. So let's start with the review now. So packaging wise, this is how the foundation looks. It doesn't come in a bottle, but it comes in a tube form, and it also has a pump, which is a great thing. And quantity wise, usually you get 30 ml of foundation in a standard foundation bottle, but with this foundation you get only 25 ml of the product, so that is something you have to keep in mind. The price point is kind of mid-high end, I would say, for Color Bar. The price of the foundation is $9.95, which I think is mid-high end for Color Bar, but I got it on a discount where it was for 650 rupees, and currently it is on a flat 600 rupees or something. I just checked. I'm in the shade FC 4.2, which is written right here, and they do have a lot of shades in this range. They've covered a lot of undertones as well, so yeah, that's a good thing. And you can find this on Nykaa and Amazon. I think Flipkart also carry them, I haven't checked. So I got this off Amazon. So those are the basic things that you need to know. Let me quickly read the claim of what the foundation says. A first of its kind hydrating long wear foundation that delivers it all with comfortable medium to full buildable coverage, 24-hour staying power, a natural finish perfect for normal to dry skin. All in all, inclusive groundbreaking range of 30 shades. So like I said, they do have a lot of shades. I do have to agree to pretty much whatever they've said. I haven't tried it for 24 hours. Nobody should try a foundation for 24 hours. But it stays put for the entire day, that much I can say. And yes, it is medium to full coverage. It is very comfortable on the skin. I'm having this foundation on my skin today, and you will see the application in a bit. This foundation can be used by pretty much all skin types. I've mentioned normal to dry skin, but even if you have oily skin, you can use a gel based primer underneath and powder your foundation and it will still look good. Since it is not very heavy, it is dewy, it is hydrating, but you can definitely powder it down to make it look matte. It has a very soft, matte, velvety kind of texture. So people from every skin type can use this foundation. So let's see how the foundation applies on the skin. We are going to be testing out using two different tools. So let's go. So we are going to be trying out the foundation on our face, and on the right side I'm going to be using this buffing brush, and on my left side I'm going to be using a beauty blender, and we'll see how this foundation fares. Like you saw, it blended so beautifully and effortlessly. Like I said in the beginning, the foundation is so lightweight and it just, it is just so beautiful. So this is how the coverage looks with a brush. On this side, let's try with a beauty blender. Like you see, the coverage is pretty even on both sides. Both the blender side and the brush side has given a similar kind of coverage. So this foundation is definitely a very lightweight foundation, and if you want you can build this up. Like you can see a scar of mine peeking through. If you want you can build the coverage up, and I can probably hide this, but I don't generally hide my pimples or scars using foundation. I just feel it's okay if the pimple peeks through. But can you see how beautifully it's sitting? And I'm filming with natural light as always, and you can see how beautiful the foundation looks. And the best part is that this doesn't oxidize, so that's a good thing. And let's quickly sum up what I like about this foundation and what I do. This foundation is so beautiful, sits beautifully on the skin, blends effortlessly, and in fact you don't need a beauty blender or a brush with this foundation. You can blend with your fingers also. So a foundation with medium to buildable coverage looking natural on the skin is something that blows my mind, and this is a perfect combination that you can look for a foundation. Honestly, I don't feel like I have foundation on. It is so lightweight in nature, and I would definitely recommend this foundation if you're looking for something very natural, very skin-like. If you want a skin-like foundation, then I would definitely recommend this one. But there are two things that I would ask you to keep in mind. Other foundations come in a 30 ml bottle, but this has only 25 ml, and also this retails for rupees 995, essentially 1,000 rupees. So wait for discounts, wait for the product to go on a discount, and make sure that you get the right shade. Those are the things you need to keep in mind before you purchase this foundation. If you find your shade, if you find it on discount, then I would definitely recommend you to pick this foundation up. Looks so natural and so beautiful. So that is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that you can be the first one to watch when I upload next. I'll see you again tomorrow with another review. Take care. Bye.